Yeah.
So right now, and me tell myself, say, me just feel it to the position where cartel really in right now. I mean, sorry, same day there. Must more the same with that taking position because me just come from down there, me do longer time than him.
Yeah.
You understand? But me just hope for the best. Cause right now, at least, me get to enjoy my glory.
Yeah.
And a lot of my glory before me get to get incarcerated for 3 years.
True.
Him just a get the peak of him glory when him get incarcerated.
True.
So it's like the life where him supposed to even enjoy as an artist, it's stopping a mid-year.
Yes.
So we just say, God, if you're real, if you're here and, you know, if him not do nothing that bad,
yeah.
Because me can't tell God saying if you just let
Let
him
him
out,
out. Yeah, true.
incarcerate him. Because God have things when do a man have no control over. So we just ask him, say, if it's in your power, if you know, say, yo, him not really do nothing bad.
Yeah.
We're not your side. Would I like seeing the back road.
Yeah,
Would I like see the return